In every home, hidden behind walls and inside outlets, a silent thread is damaging your expensive appliances, slowly, quietly, and without warning. Meet Jake, a hardworking father who loved fixing things around the house. One weekend, he decided to install a new high-powered dryer for his growing family. Confident and eager to save money, he followed online tutorials, connected the wires, and flipped the breaker. Everything seemed fine. The dryer spun perfectly. But Jake had made one common wiring mistake, one that millions unknowingly repeat. It wasn't a dramatic spark or a blown fuse. It was a neutral ground mix-up, a reversed polarity in the circuit. At first, nothing happened. The fridge hummed. The TV glowed. The washing machine ran. But over weeks and months, that tiny error created invisible voltage spikes. Appliances were being fed unstable power, overheating circuit boards, frying compressors, shortening lifespans by years. Jake noticed it slowly. His smart TV started glitching. The refrigerator compressor ran hotter than usual. Then one day, the microwave died completely, mid-popcorn. Repair costs piled up. Thousands gone. A technician finally traced it back to that one wiring error from months ago. The damage was done silently, steadily, expensively. The truth is, this mistake is everywhere. In rushed DIY jobs, in old homes with outdated wiring, in rentals where landlords cut corners, reversed polarity, loose neutrals, improper grounding. They don't always trip breakers, but they destroy motors, electronics, and peace of mind over time. Your appliances aren't just getting old. They might be victims of a hidden electrical flaw. But here's the hope. It's preventable. A simple outlet tester, under $10, can reveal reversed wires in seconds. And for peace of mind, contact a professional electrician like us at Tech Electrical. We specialize in safety inspections, troubleshooting, and proper installations to protect your home and appliances. One correct connection can save thousands in ruined appliances and prevent dangerous fires. Jake learned the hard way. Now he tells everyone, don't let confidence become costly. Check your outlets. Test your circuits. Because the most dangerous mistakes are the ones you never see coming. So what about you? Have you ever done electrical work yourself? Or noticed your appliances failing sooner than they should? That silent destroyer might already be at work in your home. Don't wait for the damage to show. Test today. Fix today, with help from trusted professionals like Tech Electrical. Protect what you've worked hard to build. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Electrical, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more powerful electrical tips. Stay safe, stay powered. I'll see you in the next one.